Hello friends, God bless you and welcome. My name is Penny, and on today's video we are back with you for our Saturday's Vlogmas with the Decor Squad, and our host is Miss Allie from Glam Elegant Living, and we all got together to give you some fall decorations for the fall season. Thank you so much for stopping in, and I hope that you enjoy. Friends, I'm just going to show you how to put a centerpiece together for Thanksgiving. And Thanksgiving is right around the corner. So I'm going to use this wicker tray I bought from Walmart for only $10. And if many of you know, we're in the season of fall, and fall also brings us into our season of Thanksgiving. And sooner or later, after a while, it's going to be Thanksgiving. Now, this year's colors has really changed on us from the same neutral colors. If you've been paying attention online, there are the natural colors of brown, the beautiful colors of black is coming back. And guys, if you painted all your brown and black, I hope you didn't, because that trend is coming back. So I just wanted to use my brown today, and with these beautiful traditional fall colors. These leaves here that I'm putting in the tray are just leaves I got from the Dollar Tree. So you can use any color you desire, any neutral colors. This is a pumpkin I have. It's like a light beige, but it also have a little sprinkle of gold. I bought this as is, and it was only no more than $5 at Walmart. So when you ever want to do your centerpiece, you can put the high ends with the low ends. It doesn't matter as long as it fits what you are doing. Here I'm using my gold candle holder and a candle. So as you put this together, just play with it just for a little while. So I want to really take time to show you how to just put little simple things together. It doesn't take long, and you can really use anything you have or any color. I decided to add my gold lantern to this, being that I didn't use my lantern yet for the fall season, and I decided this would be real nice for it because it's bringing out that gold that's in the pumpkin, that gold that's in and on my candle, and guys, and even it matches and blends with the traditional colors. And you know, this season we really have been seeing so much burnt orange and those deep burgundy colors. So that traditional style, guys, is coming back. Here I'm going to use my orange little pumpkins, and actually these were a set of pumpkins I bought from Five Below, and they were actually supposed to have been for Halloween pumpkins, and being that I don't do Halloween decor, I decided to put it and use this one. So I'll just add in some more that beautiful burnt orange colors, and just, you know, just bringing it out more in my centerpiece. And as you see, the orange pumpkins is coordinated with my colors of my flowers, and that beautiful burnt orange and the beautiful red color. So I thank those who are new today. I hope that you find something inspirational on this video. And I thank God for my faithful friends. God bless you. I appreciate you. And I thank you so much for watching. Friends, it's time to bring back those traditional colors. As I'm putting this fall centerpiece together, how many of you still use traditional colors? You don't just stick to the neutral colors, but you still love those traditional colors. If that's you, just give me a thumb up in the comment box. Friends, I'm just putting all of my pumpkins into the lantern, and I kind of think it would go best there. And also for my fall centerpiece, wanted to add this beautiful color candle. And this is at Home Goods for only $4.99. It was a sale. So it's coming together. So how many of you so far like my fall centerpiece? I hope you're getting something out of this today, guys, and having a blessed Saturday. Remember, you're too blessed to be stressed. Friends, this is my finished look off camera. I did a bow and just added a little wooden pumpkin within my bowl. So tell me what y'all think. I haven't gotten to that point of perfecting it on camera yet, but I always play with it a lot. So I put my sign out, and it tells us to be grateful. Guys, be grateful and thankful. Because I'm telling you, someone else is worse off than we are. So I'm so grateful and thankful, and I pray to God that we'll be able to have a joyous Thanksgiving season. Pumpkins is for the season, guys. And I hope y'all had some good sweet potato pie and turkey for Thanksgiving. And I hope that you can make everything so beautiful. It doesn't matter if you have a 10 or 15 people or just 2 or 3. Guys, make the best out of everything. And what you have, you can make it glorious. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. And tell me what you like the most in this. And I thank y'all so much for being a part of my channel. And I hope y'all continue to be blessed. I love you from Penny. And I will see you on my next video. Y'all be blessed. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Y'all be blessed.